Today we'll continue with this series of short videos where I explain you how you can use different features that you can find inside Follower. In the previous video, we saw how to create a post from a prompt, and today I wanted to show you different AI features that inside this post generator. Today we will see this feature that is called from images and also the one that is called from news. So let's start with the first one. This feature, it's a very simple feature, but that is it's very helpful in many occasions. Um, it happens a lot that you maybe have the image that you want to insert in the post, but you don't know what to talk about. Maybe you liked an image, it could be an AI image or something with a text or something that that you found in the internet, and you want to publish that image because it represents what you want to talk about, but you don't know what to put in the copy. So for that occasions, what you can do is first upload the image to Follower, and once you have the image inside Follower, you just go to this section and click the image that you want. You can select something from the assets that you upload, or you can also look for a stock image or an AI image. So in this case, I have, for example, this image that is a monkey with a backpack. I will select it, and then you need to choose which is the channel that you want follower to create the post. I will select Instagram because it's perfect for images. And then you have in the image type, you have plenty of different options. If you choose an AI image, follower will create the copy with the image that you selected, but then it will create a totally different AI image for that post. Another option is a creative image or stock images. All these options, it will choose a total different image from the one you are creating the content. But if you choose the source image, that means that follower will include in the post the same image that you are selecting here. So in this case, I will choose that option and simply ask follower to generate the post. So let's see what it brings. Okay. Um, hey there, are you ready for your next adventure? Okay, here follower is understanding that this monkey has a lot of backpacks and it's going to an adventure. Meet our newest team member, the backpacking monkey. Okay, so here you have the content. Here also follower include the monkey and a backpack emoji. So I think this is very accurate for this kind of image. And of course, you can then use the editor features to make it shorter, make it longer, adapt it to another language. Well, you can do whatever you want, but this is like the first step in creating content from an image. Once you have the post ready, you can select different channels to in which you want follower to post the content. And once you're ready, just save the post and then you can share it in your calendar. Okay, so this is the first feature, the create from images. Now let's go to the create from news. Create from news, as the name says, here you can find different recent news that you can search from a specific keyword. For example, I will put here Elon Musk, and I will choose the United States country, and I will then click on the search button. Here you will find different images talking about Elon Musk. For example, I don't know, Elon Musk ain't got nothing. SpaceX, I don't know. This talking about threats. Most probably, if you if you click inside that news, it will be also talking about Elon Musk. But let's say, and I don't know, let's use this SpaceX. If you click in here, first I will go a step, a previous step. If you click in this option, in this button, it will open you the full preview of the news. But once you have read it and you like it, just simply click in there, ask follower, select the option in which you want follower to create the post. You can put, for example, LinkedIn in this case, and select the kind of image. I will put I don't know, an AI image, or let's choose the source image in this case. Then generate, and let's see what it brings. Here, you have a post talking about SpaceX, or I really don't know what's the news about Bombs, probably about SpaceX. Hey there, did you catch the amazing SpaceX rocket launch off the coast of California today? Okay, so it's talking about SpaceX, and it includes the source image that is the image from the news. Always please make sure that you're okay in including this image, and we don't have the copywritings about this image, so we don't have the permissions. You must have the permissions to include this image, and make sure to only include this image if you know what you are doing. um, so of course, um, then you can adapt it to another channels if you want, or simply save it and schedule it for later. So that's how create from images and create from news works. If you want me to create a video talking a different feature, or if you have any other questions from these features that I have just explained, please put in the comments, and I will be answering you all the questions. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.